Hey everyone! Welcome back to part 4 of our Unity 2D platformer series. Today, we'll finish setting up the sword attack by detecting hits using a hitbox and giving enemies a health system that responds to damage. Let's jump in. Under your player, create an empty game object called sword hitbox. Position it where the sword slash happens in your attack animation. Give it a box collider 2D. And check is trigger. Now let's create a simple script to detect when the sword hitbox touches an enemy, and tell that enemy to take damage. Create new sword attack script. Declare damage variable, set it value to 1. Then inside onTrigger enter 2D function, check if it collide with enemy, call EnemyHealth script to take damage. The EnemyHealth class is not available yet, we will make it in the next step. From script folder create new C# script, name it EnemyHealth. This script keeps track of the enemy's health. When they take damage, we reduce the health. If it reaches 0, the enemy gets destroyed. For now, we will print debug log to console first. Because we've implemented EnemyHealth script, Unity should compile with no error. Next we'll create prefab, add collider, tag and attach EnemyHealth script to it. Now we add logic and player controller to enable sword hitbox when player attacking. Open enemy health script and complete take damage function. Enemy will be destroyed if it health equal to 0. Perfect. Let's test all the hard work. Whenever the enemy takes damage, its health decreases by 1. By default, the enemy's health is set to 3. If the enemy's health reaches 0, it will be destroyed. And that's it for this part. You now have a working sword hitbox and enemy health system. Next up, we'll add knockback, hit effects, hurt animations, and sound to polish our combat. Like and subscribe to MrWonderHow, and I'll see you in the next one.